Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Pop Culture Mix H Fuel Set. I want to give a huge shout out to Fred from One Stop Diecast for sending this case over super quickly. Make sure to get these cases from him. I put the link in the description below. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So the case comes with 2 full sets, and there's also 2 extra cars, which is the Studebaker Champ and the Silverado. So the first truck is a 1937 Holland Gas. So on the card it says Monarch of Oil, then Lionhead, shows a picture of a lion, number 1 out of 5, and then on the back it just shows the cars in the set. This truck is red, then there's white on the top, has a lion right here, then it has the exhaust, the backlights, pretty cool, wheels, it says Lionhead, motor oil, and the design's pretty good.
We have only seen this truck in premium sets, and June and I designed it.
So next up is the 83 Chevy Silverado. So immediately, since it's Golf, this is probably going to be my favorite, and since it's a Silverado, you can see the bed, and then all the Golf design with the orange and the blue, and then the Golf logo all around the car. And of course, these all have metal bases. Backlights. Says good, and then Golf. And the first display case also came with this car. So here's the difference. You can see in the front it's black, and then this is like silver. And then just the colors in the beds.
Collectors love this truck, and June and I designed it. This will definitely be the truck collectors will go after in this set.
So next truck is a 78 Dodge Little Red Express. Then it says Shell, and then has a Shell logo. So this truck is yellow. Then you can see it has a Shell right here, all in yellow. Then here's the bed. It's a Shell in the back, 2 backlights. Then it has a pretty big tires. And this car's pretty cool. It would have been better if they added like another Shell logo on the hood.
Paul DeLorean designed this truck, and this is only the second time we have seen this in a premium set.
So the next truck is a 63 Studebaker Champ. Then it has Valvoline. So this truck is white, then it has the red and blue for the logo on the hood, and then also on the side too. Then it has some stripes on the side for red and blue. And it's pretty cool how they made the bed red and blue also. And then it almost looks like this can come off, but it can't. It says Studebaker on the back.
Theo Reelman designed this truck, and this is the 10th time we've seen it. We saw it as a Hot Wheels Collector Special Edition car in 2016.
So last truck is a 38 Dodge Airflow. Then it has the A-Jip. So this truck has a black base, Then it says Egypt with the logo right here. And this truck is really interesting. It's almost like it's a truck and then it's carrying something on the back, but it's just one whole thing. It says Egypt on the back, has the backlights, and the top, and it looks pretty cool.
This truck is humongous, but we have seen it in a pop culture mix twice.
This set will be a hit with collectors who really like trucks, but for me, I'm just not really a big fan of it. My favorite truck out of this set is of course the Silverado because it has the Golf design and because it's a Silverado. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite truck is out of these 5 Pop Culture Mix H cars.